Hello friends, so as you know that I have done a giveaway in the recent week, the past week, and I have to make a video just after that, so that video just got delayed and now I'm uploading this video, sorry for that. So the main motive for this video is actually I have to do three announcements. The first one is about the Geeks for Geeks YouTube channel about schools. So in that platform or two, they have been uploading videos on Python. So if you want to learn Python from scratch and learn about different concepts from Python, so I will be linking down that link in the description. So you just have to check that channel out because it is actually putting out a lot of content about Python. So if you want to learn out Pythons or actually different puzzles which are asked in interviews, so you can check out that channel. So that channel has a lot of videos and they are actively pumping out more videos on that channel. So that's why they have given this giveaway for you guys. So that's why you can join that channel also and subscribe and like that videos. The second thing about Geeks for Geeks is they have actually launched a hire program in which they actually have launched a portal. I will be showing the screen now. In this, they have a lot of companies. The companies are mentioned in different blogs. So like you can choose any company of your wish and then apply to that. So the process is very simple. You just have to look in the details what the company is asking for, and then each company has the certain like package and the year requirement and so on, the location. And then you just have to think that okay, if you want to go in this or if you want to apply for this company or not. If you are ready to, then you can easily just apply to this. Then this hire program or this hire page is actually free now, so you can just apply to any company now. But Geeks for Geeks might in future make it like might ask you for money for making or to apply in different companies like LinkedIn. So that's why they have made this free, and they actually want you to apply in these companies and like find out or take the leverage out of it. So I will also link down the description, the link of this page, so you can check out the different profiles which they are actually wanting, and you can also apply there. The third and the most important part of this video is like I will be also giving out free content or free course by Geeks for Geeks. So like as I've told you in the last video which I've already uploaded for the giveaway, in which I have told you that I will be also giving out a free course to everyone. The courses which I have given to you are only for like some selected person which I have randomly chosen in the live stream. If you haven't watched it, go out and check that and watch that live stream. But now in this video, I will be giving out an invite code to a very good course on Geeks for Geeks platform. The course is about placement preparation course, and like you can just directly use my invite code to log into that course and like use out and solve out different questions. So this this course is based on the placement performance only, so you can also get a certificate after performing or after like solving out most of the questions and getting a percentage in that course. So you will also get a certificate also, and you just have to use my invite code to log into that course. So the course is free for everyone, but you just need an invite code. So the invite code for that is like I will be also mentioning out the invite code here, so you can check that out. But the invite code also is EX, so code CODE and XPPP, so 3 times P and C. And yeah, that's the invite code. Also I will be writing down this here, and also the invite code will be in the description. The course link and the invite code will be in the description, so you can check that out also. So that's it for this video. This video is very small, I know, but actually what I want to convey is there are a lot of like hustle bustle around like selecting out different people. Everyone wants what course they want, or like they want that they should getting the course. So I don't have like I want to give everyone a course, okay? But that's why I've been pumping out a lot of videos on YouTube as well. So as you can see I have more than 550 videos on YouTube, so you can check those videos out. There are a lot of videos, you can learn from them. You can master like competitive coding from that also, no problem. The course is just in a structured manner so that you can go from the easiest level A to the hardest level Z. So that's it for this video. And if you still have any doubts, you want to ask me something, do contact me on my Telegram channel or join me on my Instagram page. The handle will be in the description of this video. And yeah, I'm free to help everyone, and I will be launching out more and more videos like this because I have a lot of news to tell you guys. And yeah, if you like this such type of videos, do hit the subscribe button, like to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, keep coding.